but we are polluting the soil. Soil is polluting by plastics, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, and industrial wastes. These all are the causes of soil pollution. If we go for the farming, we mostly use fertilizers. Usage of fertilizers increasing the yielding, but we should use organic fertilizers, not chemical fertilizers. The organic fertilizers which are used to increase the yielding are, some of those are Panchagavya, which is prepared naturally by the natural products which are obtained from the excreted materials of cows, and vermicompost, which is also used as fertilizers. It is obtained from the earthworms by the decomposing of leaves and some materials. We obtain the vermicompost from the earthworms. These are the natural fertilizers which we use to increase the yielding. And household waste, we generally farmers in the villages use household waste which is used as the fertilizers in the soil. So by this, nutrients in the fields increases and they will be the long lasting in the soil. We know the nitrogen is the main element which is used by the plants. So to increase the nitrogen, after the crop, we use some of the members of Fabaceae and Leguminaceae plants. Some of the examples are beans, grams, etc., which contain root nodules, which shows the nitrogen. So it refills the nitrogen in the soil and which is long lasting to the soil. If we use the chemical fertilizers, they make the soil reactant. That means we can't get crop yielding in our future. And soil is also polluting by the plastics. We know that plastic is durable. We can get less cost. So we use plastics a lot. Plastics are also two types: thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. The thermoplastics, we can be recycled and molded into other objects. So they can be degradable after some days. But thermoplastics we can't. So using the thermoplastics is better than thermosetting plastics. And industrial wastes, we know that the wastes which are used by the industries are stored under the ground. By this also soil is polluting a lot. And insecticides and pesticides, these are mostly used by our farmers to kill the insects and pests. The natural ways to kill the insects and pests is, we know that general medicine like neem juice is used to kill the insects and pests. And some of the useful insects which if we give to our fields, then they kill the predators which are affecting our crops. And some of the uses for this are, we can reduce the pollution, we can get a pollution-free food, and don't pollute the soil. It's the gift of God. Thank you.
There are many pollution in our present society: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, etc. But today I want to talk about the soil pollution. Nowadays, soil pollution is becoming more and we are getting quantity-less food materials from the soil. We are using many of fertilizers. In that fertilizers many elements are present like nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, etc. But after some days, we are using continuously like that elements for crop growth. After some days in that soil, there is no capacity to grow other plants and there is no fertility. The effects of soil pollution are very hazardous and it can lead to the loss of ecosystem. When the land is polluted directly or indirectly, it affects the climate changes. Nowadays we are forgetting organic manures to keep in the fields, but it is only the main source to give good crop and quantity crop. To reduce the soil pollution, solutions from me: use paper bags, plantation of trees, reduce the deforestation and begin the reforestation, avoid the intensive farming practices, reduce your waste footprint, discover the soil washing. Nowadays, we are using more plastic which are not degradable in soil. we should use less quality plastics which are degradable in soil. Use any item you can buy biodegradable products. Thank you.
Nowadays, pollution is our biggest problem. We are facing many problems with pollution. My topic is air pollution. Due to air pollution, we are facing many problems. Vehicles are the cause of air pollution. Vehicles are releasing harmful poisonous gases. We have to decrease the use of polluting vehicles. We have to travel in public buses, so pollution will be minimized. We have to use solar vehicles and electric vehicles to travel. Solar vehicles do not produce pollution. Solar vehicles run by using energy from the sun. Solar energy is infinite, so we can use how much we need it. By using solar energy, we can reduce the emission of carbon monoxide, which is poisonous gas. Plastics are also the cause for air pollution. People burning plastics and harmful gases are released, which causes to air pollution. The dry waste and the wet wastes from villages should be collected separately. From dry waste, we can produce electricity. We can use wet wastes as organic matter. In this way, we can minimize the air pollution. Thank you.
We know that the major problem going on in the world is pollution. I think air pollution is very dangerous to us because without air we can't live. Air pollution is mainly caused by vehicles, industries. From vehicles, harmful gases are released like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. All of us think to reduce air pollution, the main solution is using public vehicles and avoiding our vehicles. But the major problem is in buses, they are not allowing more than 60 people. So it became difficult to travel from one place to another. Instead of avoiding vehicles, we have to convert harmful gases into useful gases by filtrates. The filters has to arrange for the vehicles by the preparation. So it is by this we can reduce the pollution somehow from my side. Thank you.
From MDC second year. Today I am speaking about water pollution. We are observing that water is polluting day by day. We should avoid this. So we should follow all water laws and regulations given out by the municipality. Clean and maintain septic system appropriately. Never dispose of cooking fats and oils by pouring them down the sink. Always dispose of pesticides around the rivers. Never bury animals in backyard. Clean up your yard regularly and encourage your neighbors to do the same. Work hard to educate your friends, family and the community about water safety and pollution. Water is a boon of God. Please don't pollute water. Save water, save life. Thank you.
Solutions to pollution. Nowadays the pollution percentage is increasing rapidly. There are many solutions to reduce pollution. One of the way to reduce pollution is planting. My project name is Baby Bird 2 Plants. For this government should give some acres of unfertile land. When child born, the parents will take care of the child's Aadhaar card and birth certificate, and they should plant the 2 trees of their baby born happiness, and they should receive plant certificate. The government is giving pension for retired persons and our grandparents. Instead of this free distribution of pensions, their work should be for look of these plantations. Grandparents can look after these plantations and they can live there happily. Actually, Sir told that give any solution for only one pollution, but for every pollution, the solution is planting. Okay, thank you for receiving my question.
All are told that solution for pollution. The main reason I am going to tell is plantation of trees, plantation of plants. The main reason for all these pollutions, the solution is plantation of plants. So everybody should plant a plant every month, and on your birthdays especially, to make a paper. We are using those books to make one paper. 8 trees are cutted for to make one paper. So first don't waste the papers. If you waste the papers, from that we should produce electricity. The electricity is produced by burning of coal. It is also air pollution.
I have a question in my mind. Why should only plants release oxygen? Why should industries release hazardous gases? My intention is to say that industries should also release oxygen by purifying hazardous gases in it and release only oxygen into the atmosphere so that half of the global warming should be minimized. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
I want to tell about the radioactive pollution for you because you are the citizens of future generation. So, the sources of radioactive pollution can be classified into two types: natural and man-made. Radioactive contamination, also called radiological contamination, if the disposition or presence of radioactive substance or within the solids, liquids, or gases where the presence of unintended or undesirable. So, my solutions of radioactive pollution is, if possible, place the cloths in a plastic bag or leave it out of the way of the corner room. Also, keep the people away from it to reduce the radioactive pollution. Keep cuts and abortion covered with highly contaminated items to avoid getting radioactive materials in them. And also, care should be taken to check man-made radiation pollution source. Nuclear reactors should be perfectly maintained to avoid accidental leakage. Nuclear tests should be banned. Leakage of radioactive materials from nuclear reactors. Industries and laboratories using them should be totally stopped. Radioactive wastes only with very low radiation should be discharged into sewerage. Stop dumping of solid liquid gaseous wastage. My conclusion of radioactive pollution was, the construction of nuclear pollution plants in electricity will also benefit alternate energy sources that do not emit these pollutants. It was extremely important that nuclear power plants to be held in stringent safety standards. Radiation is like jungle. If you can't stop it, it will stop your breath. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.
First, I want to say one solution for radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution is because of the nuclear plants. The radioactivities releasing from nuclear plants are causing radioactive pollution. So the nuclear plants have to take some controls to decrease the radioactive pollution. Next, the mobiles we are using also makes the radioactive, so that many of the organisms living in our earth are dying. Example, birds. So humans have to discover things to reduce the radioactivities. We know that this world is not only for humans. There are many organisms which are living in our world. So some awareness movies have to come about this. This month a movie is releasing about the radioactive, that is Robo 2.0. This movie is totally about radioactives and the lives of the birds. So this awareness movie has to be seen by the youth so that we can control the pollution, we can get awareness, and we can learn what our next life is. To control air pollution, we have to decrease the use of fossil fuels. So we have to use some natural gases so that we can control the pollution. The bikes which are using from long time has to reduce, because the combustion is not completely taken in the bikes, and the fuels will make pollution. So we have to use. We don't have to use old bikes. To control plastic, the government has to take measure by distributing free paper bags to every home so that we can reduce the usage of plastic. And to control the water pollution, government have to keep a defense near the banks of the river so that anyone who are throwing the waste can be reduced, because defense will be there near the banks. Every village have to be a polluting government officer the government has to implement this job by giving them salaries so that they can work properly, and special team have to be further officers so that pollution can be controlled. And if any problem is there in the village, the officer have to be take the responsibility so that we can reduce the pollutions in villages. And my better choice, living in a technological world is better, not better than living in a pollution-free world. Technology makes the pollution, so it is better to live without living in the technological world. Okay, thank you.
Telling not detailing what is pollution, how it is up. Our topic is solution to pollution only. So I am telling solution. We are observing trees are deforestation in daily life. In our daily life. From trees, we give many products like papers. Papers are manufactured by trees, and also rubber. Rubber is also manufacturing by trees. But trees are cutting morely in our daily life. Then plastic is increasing daily life. So decrease the plastic with introduce the plastic currency instead of paper currency. Plastic currency is using decrease the paper, decreasing the cutting of trees. And also another solution is, instead of using petrol and diesel for bikes, LPG gas is a low combustion gas. Introduce a 5 liters cylinder to bikes with LPG gas. Give a low pollution to our nature. And lastly, if you are celebrating any birthdays or any functions, give away one tree to them. It will helpful to our nature. And another solution is, in next month elections are going on. For each voter, plant a one tree. Thank you.
In our day-to-day life, I observe one thing that in our villages, so many people are selling their buffaloes. I mean, so that people are selling their buffaloes, cows, and animals. And did you know that they are very useful for our land pollution? They are very useful to solve our land pollution. The product which is coming from the animals is used in our lands. So we have to increase the fertility of our lands. And so many people at our home taking with them the animals and go to the mountains for the eating of the leaves. So don't take the animals to go to the mountains, and tell the people who are taking the animals to mountains or other sites for the feeding to bring the animals in your fields and put them in the ground, so the land will become more fertility. And in our life, pollution is caused only with the laziness of the people. Don't be lazy, because your laziness will create pollution. So don't be lazy, all the people. And the industrial wastes which are releasing waste materials are mixed into the water, and this water if we send the water to the fertile land, and the crop will absorb the chemicals which are coming from the water and they enter into our grains of rice. So as we all know that every grain of rice contains all chemicals, and most of the people at our home washing the grain of rice before cooking. So don't wash it, because it will lose all the minerals which is helpful to us will be washed out by the washing of the grains.
Today, I want to say about pollution, land pollution, how the land pollution takes place using chemical fertilizers. Not only chemicals, plastic, it won't degradable easily. So to control this, I have an idea. I want to present before you, because we are the upcoming
society, we have to know and we have to aware of this. In our house and in our areas, we throw vegetable waste. Where we want to throw, we simply throw on roads, in our surroundings, etc. Because of this, land pollutes and also bacteria grows. It harms to us in many ways. So in an area, we have to keep a big drum which is made up of cement. We have to throw the home waste in it. Firstly, we have to keep a layer of soil, not sand, which is useful for our agriculture like clay soil or mud. And then we have to keep a layer of neem leaves. Then we have to add the home waste in it. For every 1 week, we have to again add layer of soil with that and a layer of neem leaves. Again waste. By this, day by day, the soil is increases and also the waste materials in the households was degradable in it. And it is decomposed. The bacteria won't be born because of presence of neem leaves, and mosquitoes also won't present there because of neem leaves. And after increasing the soil in the drum, we have to use it for agriculture lands. This is useful for good yielding of crops. In the drum we can add also earthworms because earthworms minimize the food waste by turning organic kitchen into nutrient which is useful for agricultural land. And I think you have understood about my solution. You have to aware of this in your areas and in your surroundings. You must say to your parents they should not throw any waste which is coming from your house. It may affect environment, not only environment, animals and human beings also. Thank you.
See, on this occasional day of to say the solution to pollution, I chosen the topic water pollution. As we know that water play a major role in our day-to-day life, and it is very important to us. And the life doesn't exist on the earth without the water. To say that actually the life is born from the water, so we have to take some precautions. To such precious thing, we are polluting it by our daily activities. So we have to take precautions to eradicate this problem. What is being polluted mainly by industries, factories, chemical wastage output into the water bodies. Not only water is being polluted, but also aquatic life is being killed. The major resource of water is rainfall. So we have to concentrate on rainfall. We have to utilize the rainwater. We are wasting a lot of water, and the underground water level is being deeply decreased. So if we, my solution is if we dig the percolation tanks, so the water percolates into the earth, to the ground, and the water level, underground water level will be increased.
Unable to display in the
So in this way we can increase the underground water level. When the underground water level is increased, not only our future generations can also live without hunger of water happily. So my only solution to suggest you all is dig percolation tanks at your homes and be a part of saving water. Thank you.
Pollution has been one of the biggest challenges affecting our human lives. As environment, it is an environmental issue faced by all the people across the world. Today, as a citizens, we have it is our responsibility to feed and protect the air. As we are living on this earth, we need to breathe air. So, if the air is only polluted, how can we breathe the fresh air? So, the solution for air pollution is we have to use less vehicles, and we have to use the smoke and toxic vehicles, and
we have to not use more industries products and industries. If we use more industries products, then the air will be getting polluted, and we have to not use more automobiles. The coal should be replaced with fuel to control the air pollution. The wastes must be removed and recycled by the industrial plants and refineries. The automobiles should be designed with emission control system, keeping my request to all the friends is please stop pollution. Thank you.
We getting the current and using the current in different ways. It is the one type of air pollution by development of factories, different types of factories. I'll explain later. Burning of fuel, usage of plastic. Solutions. I'm going to tell solutions. We can reduce the usage of current by using LED bulbs and solar boards. Nowadays we see the villages, street lights are glowing 24 hours. We can reduce that by keeping solar boards. Indirectly developing the industries by using the products like plastics and fertilizers, and let us use metals. Using limits, don't cross the limits. That can pollute more. By we are saying that fashion, we using the leather shoes as fashion. They are coming from industries and releasing the gases. They can pollute the environment. And fertilizers are using by the farmers. Then can be replaced by the biofertilizers, by cow dungs and bacteria available in the agricultural centers at cheap cost. But we are using the chemical fertilizers. Stop that. If you are the citizens, going to be a citizen in future. So stop the using of chemical fertilizers, use the biofertilizers, and stop the usage of plastic. I'm not telling completely stop the plastic, but reduce by recycling and replacing with, in some cases, by papers. And don't use unnecessary things by papers, throwing the papers and wasting the paper. It can be getting by the industries. It is also pollution by the industries.
Nothing more to say, but I have one suggestion among them. One thing, have a dustbin at home to stop the pollution. At every home you have to keep the dustbin to minimize the pollution. That is the basic work you have to do from your side. And as the technology increases and the pollution also increases, to minimize the pollution, recycle the plastic. Thank you.